Hey everybody, Laurel Hall here, and you're on Come Shop With Me. So today we are going to be learning what we're cooking on Friday in the Come Cook With Me show. I'm really excited about this dish, and I'm actually excited about all of the recipes that we have coming to you this next month. So I'm calling it my Zoodle month. So we're looking for, I'm gonna get out of these people's way. So we're looking for recipes that are gonna be super light, ready for summer, just gonna love it. So this is gonna be a lemon, garlic lemon chicken, and we're gonna do chicken thighs, right? And we're gonna do it over Zoodles. So it's just gonna be a really phenomenal recipe. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see what's in the cart. So if you're gonna cook with me, you can get your supplies. Super easy, very few ingredients. Believe it or not, this one's super few. Okay, hang on. Okay, so we have, well, let's go ahead and start with the Zoodles. You can do the Zoodles two different ways. You can just go ahead and get your zucchini. Get organic zucchini if you can. Obviously, the fresher the better, because when you do the spiralizer, it you want to hold up sturdy. So you might want to buy this like the day before. But these are pretty brand new. They're organic. They came from Florida. It was a good purchase. But let's just say that you don't have a zoodle maker. You don't have a little noodle spiralizer. You can go ahead and find them already pre-made. They're already in a pre-spiralizer. But if you're gonna get these that are already pre-done, make sure you get them the day that we're gonna be using the product, because they're gonna be the most fresh. Okay, so that's gonna be for the Zoodles. Now, for this particular recipe, I'm just gonna stick with the zucchini because I really like that. I've made Zoodles before where we've used a lot of different, like beets are really good. Just pick your favorite vegetable that's gonna go with it. And of course, for those of you, like my husband, he doesn't like the Zoodles, so I'm gonna make him a little bit of something else to go with his, but it definitely will be healthier. All right, so you wanna grab some garlic. Make sure that you get organic garlic. You want to get some onions. I got some dairy onions here. We've got some parsley, and we've got a lot of lemons. You're going to need to have a lot of lemons for this particular recipe. Now, what I found when I was picking the chicken out, obviously you want to try to get your green wise, most fresh, no antibiotics. So half of the chicken that I bought were chicken thighs that have the bone in, and then half of what I found were the boneless. Now, for this particular recipe, I really prefer the boneless because they're going to cook evenly. Remember, we do this in the Instant Pot as well as the slow cooker, so it'll work both ways. If you can get all of one the same, great. That's going to be best. All right, so you're going to need to get some bone broth. So I found one of my new favorites is the Pacific bone broth. It's organic. They have no salt added. It's really, really yummy. Since I identified this, I gotta tell you, every single time I come to the grocery store, hi Chad and Natalie, great to see you. But every time I go to the store now, we're always out of it. So I have a whole supply in here because every single time I've come here, it's been gone. All right, another herb you're gonna wanna have is some rosemary. And you wanna go ahead, now I'm gonna give you a couple of different options here. We're going to do some sauteing of the thighs. So you're going to use either avocado oil. I love the organic ghee. It's a clarified butter. It's organic. What I really love about it is that it's, hold on a second, I was going to try to show you the label. It's just really, I love this because there's nothing that's been added. No casein, no lactose, no GMOs, no salt. But love that. Now, if you're going to stick with more of a paleo side, you might want to go ahead and get the cultivated vegan butter. Either one, it's going to go great. Yeah, Barb, I would be buying the bone broth by case now too, because that's what I had to go to the store manager and said, I need to get this. I have to always have it. And it's like the last 2 times I've come here, they haven't had it, so they had to order special. All right, so now if you don't choose to do either one of those, you can always use the virgin coconut oil. Again, try to use organic, no GMOs. That's where you're best. Now, for a special splurge, this recipe is gonna I will give you the option of having this, but it's going to be up to you. Some people like to have their garlic lemon chicken have a little bit of a cream to it. So instead of adding cream, I'm going to recommend that you add just a little bit of the Veganese Better Than Mayo Follow Your Heart product. I absolutely am telling you, this is so yummy, and I think as a finishing touch, if you decide to use it, go ahead and get that. Okay. Now, for those of you who are going to also want to have some Parmesan on the top, you can use the Follow Your Heart dairy-free Parmesan shredded cheese alternative. Good, I love this. It's a great product. Or if you want to do some fresh and you want to grate it, you want to grate your own fresh Parmesan. I do a mixture of Parmesan and Asiago. So, all right, for the additional spices that you're going to need to have, we'll have some Dan-O's, which is not here at the store. So you know we have that, and there's black pepper, and I just didn't see the black pepper in the spice rack. So you want to get some Italian cooking seasoning, some cumin. Show you that, sorry. So you want to get some cumin. Again, make sure you get the organic, non-GMO, certified USDA, and then the Japanese 7 spice. Those are all the spices, plus the fresh rosemary that you're going to need for this recipe, and of course the parsley. The lemon and parsley are, and this is organic, the lemon and parsley and onion are what really set this recipe apart. I mean, it's just phenomenal. All right. That's all you're going to need. It's going to be a really yummy recipe. So remember, we're going to cook it both. Like if you've never watched us before, we'll be cooking it in the Instant Pot as well as the slow cooker. And we'll just see which one wins. I'm very excited. So if you didn't share last week's show where we showed the, we made the crab cakes, if you haven't posted that on your wall, scroll through to the bottom, post it on your wall, because the winner this week, the person who gets drawn, we're gonna do Bedtime Belly Buster again. That is going over so well. And I have so many wonderful new seasonal shakes, the pina colada, which I can't seem to get enough of. I mean, I just can't. If you've been watching my posts, it's just like, oh my God, this is so darn good. Anyway, so that's gonna be the giveaway. So if you haven't shared last week's show, go to last week on Friday, post it to your wall, and you'll be entered to win. That's it. We're hoping to come live to you on Friday at 4:30. I've got a couple of snafus that could just hinge coming on a little bit later, but hopefully we'll be exactly on time. But stay posted. I'll post it in the comments section if we're running a little bit behind. I think we're going to be coming live to you from the condo, so it just everything is kind of up in the air as far as what our plans are. Those of you who are on cleanse day, I've heard so much from so many people, and I am so blessed. You all know who communicated to me today about your journey. I've had several pictures sent to me. I mean, you've got me so freaking emotional. I'm so excited to have you in my life, and I appreciate everyone who follows us. So we're always live Wednesday to show you what's in the cart. Join us Friday for the cooking show. If you've missed a show, don't forget you can go to my YouTube channel. You can catch all of the shows that we've ever done before, and that's go to YouTube, use that little icon for the magnifier, and it's Lifestyle by Lori J. Okay, everybody, have a fabulous rest of your week, and we'll see you Friday. Oh, I know there's some questions there. Hang on a second, let's see. Would love to try the pina colada flavor. Yeah, heck yeah. Oh gosh, Barbara, I'm sorry. 2-day cleanse. You got it. Okay, no one else, no other questions. Hey, if there are other questions, what I'll do is I'll just answer them after we get going, because I got to get to that checkout and I have a 3 o'clock meeting. So we'll catch you guys soon. Have a great rest of your day.